Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add a bio to your Badoo account. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Guys, this is the interface of Badoo, and right now what we want to do is simply add a bio. For that, what we need to do is simply go to profile. Right here at the bottom right, here is the profile button, simply click on it. Then this page will open up, that's your profile, and at the top right you will get these two buttons, that's settings, a gear-like icon, and edit profile. Click on the second button, and right here this is your profile settings. Simply scroll down and you'll something like about me right below why you're here. Click on this about me button right here and add your bio from right here. Simply add whatever you wish. And once you have added your bio, simply click on done. You'll find the button at the bottom right. I'm gonna click on it right now. And guys, that's it. That's how you add a bio to your Badoo account. Now I'm gonna check my profile right now. And guys, there you go. That's how you add a bio to your Badoo account. Well guys, that's it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time. Thank you.